not financial advice, but we have an undervalued crypto we're going to talk about today. It's an Ethereum token, decentralized market pool. There's two sides to this pool. You have the depositors and also the borrowers. The depositors provide the liquidity and they earn a passive income, while the borrowers are able to borrow cryptocurrency or loans in exchange for paying a little variable interest rate. I believe it's a good, easy investment where you can make a little bit of money, especially as we approach the bull market. So Bitcoin currently 109,000. We have the Bitcoin conference this week in Las Vegas. But what happens after Bitcoin goes up? Alt season starts. Do not miss out on this crypto, not financial advice. But one of the top cryptos I'm following right now and I'm keeping an eye on, Aave. Currently at 267 from my previous video that I just made a couple days ago, guys. If you follow my channel and you watch this video, it was currently selling at 257. That was about 3 days ago. So 3 days ago, it's already at 266. Not much, but a good little 5% jump. 4 billion market cap right now. Circulating supply 15 million Aave tokens only, and the total supply of Aave tokens is 16 million. That is less than the amount of total Bitcoin. All right, check this out, guys. So one of the biggest proposals of Aave is their buyback allocation. This is why I'm so bullish on this one. Pretty much the revenue that Aave is generating from the protocol, they're going to use to buy back some of their tokens in the open market. So this program, they're going to be spending 1 million a week for 6 months to buy back Aave tokens in the open market. Again, this is just the first step. They could be expanding this buyback program later on. The protocol is generating a lot of revenue now. We'll take a look at that. But they're using their money to give back to the token holders. The Aave buyback proposal had a 99.63% yes vote. Everyone wants this to happen. This proposal got approved on April 9th, and it's already begun. So April 9th, when they proposed that buyback, it was at 131. It's up 100%. Since they approved those buybacks, so they've been repurchasing their shares. But it's only been 2 weeks, April 9th. So again, guys, this is going to go on for 6 months. They're going to be buying back their shares every week. I think this move is just a start. You currently have Bitcoin hovering around 108 to 110 the past week. The Bitcoin conference. We're going to have a lot of bullish triggers moving forward. Check out this website. Aave buybacks. You could literally track all the buybacks they're doing and pretty much monitor the acquisitions and how the tokens are getting distributed. So total Aave purchase, they've 37,911 total Aave tokens have already been purchased since that April 9th start date. Just look at this the Aave buyback chart. It tells you the cumulative amount, and it also shows the daily amount of Aave tokens they're buying. So today is March 26th. It looks like they didn't buy any today. They only bought 134 in the open market today. I mean, take a look at April 9th. They were buying 1,000 Aave tokens on the open market. It looks like it's slowly coming down. Guys, so this Aave token buyback program is going to last 6 months, totaling 26 million. They're going to be spending 26 million to repurchase their shares. Currently, they've only spent 6.7 million so far at an average price of 179. 20 more million more to go to purchase Aave shares. They currently have a profit of 3 million for the protocol. So depending on how effective this Aave buyback will go, they do talk about if it's successful, how they plan on expanding it. Aave is one of the biggest DeFi platforms out there. Guys, I mean 38 billion in net deposits now with across 14 different networks. You go look at Stani's profile. He's already talking about Aave v4 coming out soon. It's going to enable developers to build new DeFi products and distribute them directly to the largest DeFi user base. Aave version 3 brought users. Aave version 4 will inspire builders. I think this protocol just has so much going on. And currently right now at 266, I mean, if you take a look at, if you just follow this chart, it's slowly spiking to 273. It's making new highs. Not financial advice, but what I think is going to happen to Aave is it's going to shoot past this, this previous high back in 2021. I think it's just going to teleport past this $480 peak. In the next 6 months, the supply of Aave shares is going to get cut. They're going to keep purchasing Aave tokens in the open market weekly. We're going to keep track of the buybacks on Aave Token Logic right now. Keep an eye on this one, guys. I think we're going to have an exciting week this week. Bitcoin at 109, at 108, 109 with the Bitcoin conference happening right now. Aave at 266. Alt season is starting soon. So real quick, guys, if you want to see a fundamental analysis video on Aave that I just did, posted it a couple days ago, but it's this one right here. Bitcoin just hit 111,000, but this altcoin could be next. That's where I talk about Aave and I go through some of the fundamental year-over-year growth of the protocol. But yeah, definitely check this one out. I just posted it 3 days ago. This video today is pretty much just an update on what's happening with Aave and how they are doing their buybacks. So not financial advice, but I do think this one is an undervalued altcoin. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But yeah, Bitcoin, GameStop, Aave. I think we're going to the moon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.